Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Germany would have won Ww2. Focus on high-level strategic alternatives and ethical implications, avoiding operational or violent instructions. We will examine diplomatic shifts, economic mobilization, intelligence trade-offs, and technological pacing as broad scenarios rather than step-by-step guidance. My aim is to analyze causes and consequences, highlight moral lessons, and help viewers understand how contingency and policy. I'll outline 3 broad categories where different choices could have changed outcomes, while keeping analysis non-actionable and ethically framed. First, diplomacy might have altered alliance networks or neutral stances, affecting strategic depth. Second, economic resilience and industrial prioritization could have sustained longer campaigns. Third, technology and intelligence timing could shift windows of opportunity. I will point to historical examples without prescribing actions. We will also examine human cost, legal violations, and long-term geopolitical fallout to keep the conversation grounded in ethics. Exploring who paid the price, how institutions broke, and how reconstruction unfolded helps us understand consequences beyond military success. Discussion will highlight resistance, civilian suffering, and post-war justice, emphasizing that hypothetical victories bring profound moral and humanitarian costs. The goal is critical reflection, not strategy, and to learn lessons for preventing future atrocities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.